Live na po. Check ko lang. Live na po.
Good morning, everyone. Today is August 15, 2024. We are here to conduct our pre-bid conference for 3 contract ID numbers 24FE0060, 24FE0061, and 24FE0062. I'd like to acknowledge the presence of the following back members: Engineer Lori Elberhan, yes, Engineer Mike Bedis, DPWH Architect Menjoro, back Secretariat Head Engineer Batak, and Miss Gemma Amata, and DPWH Engineer, back Secretary, sorry, I stand corrected, Engineer J. Anthony Abay as back Secretariat as well. Now proceed with the reading of the previous minutes. For the pre-bid conference conducted last July 26, 2024 for contract ID number 24 GFE 0012. Back chairperson Dilenia called to order the bidding conference and acknowledge the presence of the back members and TWG and Secretariat. The bidding proceeded with the opening and preliminary examination of the bids for the project bid contract ID number 24 GFE 0012, purchase of highway design software, preliminary and detailed engineering activities and feasibility studies with approved budget for the contract 1,961,000 pesos only. And opening of the first envelope, a technical proposal was done of the loan bidder, INFRASTRUTURE Corporation. Preliminary evaluation of the document was done in public to check against the checklist of the required document. It was found complying and was rated pass. And the second envelope, which is the financial proposal, was opened. All the required documents were present, thus it was rated pass. Other matters, no representatives from participating bidder attended the bidding conference. There being no other matters to discuss, the bidding conference was adjourned at 10:15 a.m. I'd like also to acknowledge the presence of the head of the TWG, Engineer Villarreal.
I move that the minutes of the previous meeting be approved.
Thank you. It has been moved and seconded that the minutes of the bidding conference held last July 26 for contract ID 24 GFE 0012 be approved. Now we will proceed with the pre-bid conference proper. For contract ID number 24FE0060 or CSSP Basic Infrastructure Program BIP Multipurpose Building Facilities to support social services construction of multipurpose building MAYCATMON, MILAOR, Camarines Sur, which is a rebidding. For contract ID 24FE0061 CSSP Basic Infrastructure Program BIP Multipurpose Building Facilities to support social services construction of multipurpose building phase 1 at LGU CAMSUR Capital Complex, Barangay Catmon, MILAOR, Camarines Sur, which is also a rebidding. And lastly, 24FE0062 CSSP Basic Infrastructure Program or BIP Multipurpose Building Facilities to support social services for construction, completion of multipurpose building at SITIO GILID, Barangay TARIRIC, MINALABAC, Camarines Sur, which is also a rebidding. May I request Engineer Berha to discuss the updated release from the Central Office, which is Department Order number 18. Which is an instruction to bidders.
The strict implementation of assigning accredited contractors and consultant project engineers please refer to a numbered memo dated June 25, 2024, with the subject of implementation of assigning accredited contractors and consultant project engineers, and Department Order 119, Series of 2024, and Department Order number 148, Series of 2024. The guidelines on the accreditation and assignment of contractors and consultant project engineers, and guidelines on the testimonial accreditation of contractors and consultant project and materials engineers for former DPWH engineers who held third level positions. The unnumbered memo dated June 25, 2024 it states that in accordance with our ongoing efforts to enhance the quality and efficiency of our infrastructure projects, please be reminded of the implementation of Section 3 of Department Order number 94, Series of 2020 regarding the assignment of accredited contractors and consultants project engineers to the DPWH project, which will start July 1, 2024 per Department Order number 156, Series of 2023, and will form part of the requirements during the bidding process. Likewise, in view of the very low turnout of engineers being accredited in the private sectors, your cooperation in this matter is crucial in achieving the desired outcomes and maintaining the integrity of our project execution standards for strict compliance. Signed by Secretary Manuel M. Manuel.
Thank you, Engineer Berha, for the latest update on the issuance of the accreditation of the accreditation of contractors engineer. So may I request Engineer Bedis to discuss the details of the projects on the conference.
Okay, so let's start with contract ID 24F0060, the construction of multi-purpose building MAYCATMON, MILAOR, Camarines Sur. The scope of work is construction of other building, or this is a multi-purpose building which is intended for covered court, evacuation center, and other public functions. So the floor area is 25 by 15 meters, which is 544 square meters in total. And the scope of work involves earthworks, facilities for the engineer, other general requirements. This includes permits and clearances, reinforced concrete for the structural framing, and finishing works, which includes sewer line works, storm drainage, septic vault, plumbing fixtures and water lines, It also includes ceiling works, aluminum cladding for wall finishes, doors and windows, roll-up door, metal roofing, tile finishes for restrooms, one restroom, and then painting works, insulation for roofing, covered in may CHB walls, electrical works, network cabling, lighting fixtures, and mechanical works, which includes ventilating equipment, automatic fire sprinkler system, and fire alarm system. So, complete building, may man siyang mawawala for phase 2. Yun yung ID number 16. So, the project for contract ID numbers 24FE0060 is a complete building, complete multi-purpose building with finishes, electrical works, and mechanical works. For the second project, 24FE0061, CSSP Basic Infrastructure Program, BIP, multi-purpose buildings, facilities to support social services, construction of multi-purpose building, Phase 1, LGU CAMSUR, Capital Complex, Barangay MAYCATMON, MILAOR, Camarines Sur. So this is also a rebidding with an ABC of 38,610,000 pesos. Contract duration of 260 calendar days. The deadline for the submission of bids is on or before August 29, 2024 at 10 o'clock p.m. So the project involves the construction of other building or multi-purpose building with a floor area of 35 by 15 meters or a total area of 632.4 square meters. This is also intended for a covered court, warehouse, multiple evacuation center. Pero phase 1 na.
Meron pa kayo sa may transformer pa kayo.
So the scope of work involves facilities for the engineer, other general requirements, which all involves permits and clearances, project billboard, safety net, mobilization and demobilization. Earthworks, which also includes softscape and removal of existing structures and obstruction. Reinforced concrete for the structural framing. Finishing and other civil works. Sewer line works, storm drainage, septic vault, plumbing fixtures, water lines, ceiling for CCR. Aluminum metal cladding for wall finishes, aluminum framed glass doors and windows, roll-up doors, metal roofing, and tile works on the restroom. Painting works, insulation for roofing, wall, CHB wall, and then structural roofing, structural steel roof framing. Electrical works, which includes pad-mounted transformer, complete with accessories. Generator. It also has generator, lighting fixtures, and network cabling. It also includes mechanical works, ventilating equipment, automatic fire sprinkler system, and fire alarm system. So the project is also a complete building, complete with finishes, electrical, and mechanical works. Next project, 24FE0062 CSSP BIP, multipurpose buildings, facilities, and support social services, construction, completion of multipurpose building, SITIO GILID, BARANGAY TARIRIC, MINALABAC, Camarines Sur, which is also a rebidding. The project has a total ABC of 1,980,000 pesos. Contract duration of 120 calendar days. The bids must be submitted on or before August 29, 2024 at 10 o'clock p.m.
Pwede pa kami na semana. Sige na. Okay, salamat.
So, the project involves the construction of multipurpose building with an area of 9 by 4.5 or 9 by 4.5. Other general requirements, permits and clearances, project billboard, safety and health, earthworks, reinforced concrete for the structural framing, finishing and other civil works, storm drainage, aluminum glass windows and doors, wooden doors, roll-up doors, metal roofing sheets, CHB walls,